If you come from a Hindi medium background and feel nervous while speaking English, I want to tell you something very honestly. I completely understand that feeling because I've through it myself. Hi everyone, I'm Tanuja and welcome back to my channel Fluentspire. I also studied in Hindi medium environment and for the long time English felt like a barrier in my life. In school and college, I could memorize answers for exam, but real communication was difficult. Whenever someone spoke fluent English, I used to feel inferior and underconfident. I would translate every sentences from Hindi to English. But by the time I learned how to frame a sentences. And about interviews, I still remember attending interviews where I had the technical knowledge, but when the conversation shifted to English communication, my confidence was crumbled. I struggled to articulate my thoughts clearly. And sometimes I knew the answers correctly, but due to lack of confidence, I was unable to articulate my thoughts in front of interviewer. That phase was really frustrating, but it really changed my mindset. What I learned is Hindi medium background is not a weakness. The real problem is lack of exposure and practice. So English is not an intelligence, it's a skill and skills can be learned. So instead of feeling embarrassed, I tried to improve myself step by step. I did a lot of things during my initial phase. I started learning through listening English content. Then I did some self talk. Sometimes I recorded my videos as well. Then I tried to rectify my mistakes. And I still remember that most of the English learners, most of the Hindi medium students, they don't speak just because they fear of making mistakes. But trust me, making mistakes is a part of learning journey. And the one thing is that I stopped comparing myself with fluent speaker because I know that everyone starts somewhere. So they have also started earlier maybe or they did some practice. That's why they are here. That's why they are a fluent speaker. If you are also from a Hindi medium background, please don't underestimate yourself because your background does not define your future communication skills, but daily habits do. So start small, speak daily, and listen daily. This will help you to improve yourself. And don't think or compare your journey with other people. That is the most important thing. And the one more important thing is that just because of your embarrassing moment, please don't stop because practice makes a man perfect. If you will practice regularly, you will see the differences. As you can see me. So I have also started my journey like same because I have done my schooling from government school and Hindi medium school, and then I learned English by myself. So if I can do, so you can also do. So that is in today's video, and I hope you will find this video helpful. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you and bye bye.